Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am doing a video on how I bake a whole salmon. Stay tuned and hopefully you will be able to pick a few tips from this video. I got this whole salmon from Morrison's and it is not descaled, so I am going to go ahead and descale the salmon first, give it a clean and start the marinating process. I have blended some garlic and fish seasoning together, which I will use to marinate this whole salmon. I will slice my salmon to ensure all the marinade flavors are locked into the salmon. Now I'm going to go ahead and start the marinating process, and this is how I marinate the whole salmon. I also add a bit of ginger, not too much, because I don't want the ginger to overpower the garlic and fish seasoning that I blended. This is how it looks, guys. That looks so delicious. So there we go. I add a bit of ginger, not too much, rub it on the salmon, and then what I'm going to do now is turn the salmon onto the other side just to make sure that both sides are actually seasoned. So I just repeat the same process, add my marinade, rub it, make sure that all those flavors are locked into the fish. Whilst I'm doing that, if you're new to the channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button and automatically you'll be part of the Woolford gang. If you are returning to this channel, thank you so much for the support. We greatly appreciate you. So now I am going to add some lemon. Usually I would use fresh lemons, but I didn't have any, so I'm going to add some lemon juice. So now the salmon is all marinated, it's ready to go in the oven. I just add some olive oil. As you can see, I've added some potatoes in there because I'm also going to bake those potatoes. The spice I'm adding now is chips spice or chip salt. So yeah, that's my salmon in the oven. I'll return back to it in an hour. By the way guys, I actually just leave the salmon in the oven for about an hour. So whilst the salmon is cooking, I am going to go ahead and prep my veg. I have green beans and kale. So now it's been an hour, I'm going to cut up some parsley just to give it a bit more flavor. There is my salmon after an hour. That looks absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to dig in, and the potatoes look great as well. So I've just added the parsley and there's my veg. So everything is good to go. Now you guys can understand why Mr. Woolford put a ring on it, because he loves my cooking. So that looks really nice. It's really nice and soft. It's not dry as well. Perfect. So that's the finished product. Thank you guys for watching and make sure you subscribe. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.